Today I want to talk to you about the free energy assessment we do before almost every project. The reason we do this is because most homes have a lot of low-hanging fruit to reduce utility bills. And so you're going to be spending a lot of money on a remodeling project. We're going to do what we can to save you money on your monthly utility bills. To do this, it's really kind of fun. We encourage you to be there. We deep pressurize your house with a blower door. So we're going to set up a big fan in your door basically and depressurize the house. Then we're going to walk around with you so that you can feel where air is coming to the house. Air leakage is equal to insulation in terms of keeping your house comfortable and keeping your utility bills low. So by depressurizing your house and walking around with you, we can show you where things can be done really inexpensively that will lower your utility bills. We can do those things for you, but they're also simple. They may be something you just want to do yourself. But we also use a thermal camera so that we can look at insulation issues. Those issues are a little bit more complicated. They're not quite such low-hanging fruit, but nonetheless, they often can be fixed to have a really nice return on your utility bills. We're really interested in environmental stewardship, and this is one way we do it. But whether you're interested in environmental stewardship or not, it's a great way to lower your utility bills.